Good Saturday evening, everybody. That's not how you do an intro. Really? If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. So you can do better? Oh, yeah, I think I can do better. Anyway. Alright, let me show you. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is episode 97 of 18 minutes of talking, 3 minutes of not doing anything, and I'm not going to paint it anyway. Wait.
Wrong channel, buddy.
Wrong channel?
Wrong channel.
Oh, damn.
Wrong channel.
Good set. Good Saturday evening, everybody. 21st of March. I'm going to finish getting this torch cart mocked up, and then we can strip this thing down and get it ready for paint. So, I had to, went and dug around and found some tires for it. These are actually some little boat trailer tires. They're 484 8s. They're actually on-road tires. Lodestar. Rated for 750 pounds a piece, so. And then we've had some on the wheels here. The bearings were out, so I was doing a little looking around on the internet. All you could find was a bunch of cheap China garbage that was 60 cents for a bearing that was going to go out in 2 weeks. Went to a local hardware store. You had some American-made ones for just a couple bucks more. Bogus. Well, I think my balance point's a little bit off. Sunday afternoon, I'm working on the torch cart yet again. You can see I pretty much got it mocked up, and then we're going to start scrubbing it down, getting it ready for some paint. Because I do paint things around here, unlike some people. But you can see we got to scuff some of this rough paint down, buff some of that rust off there, that scaly rust. I did get some rust inhibiting primer. We're not going to get super fancy with cleaning this thing up, but we're going to get a coat of paint on it. We got our hooks welded on for the chains to hold the tanks on, stud back there to bolt them down. This is the forward base of the cart. And we got the axles on. We got our collars welded in place so that way the wheels can't slide in and hit the frame. We got the holes drilled for the cotter pins. All that's left is to make her look schmancy. Hey, why don't you come over and help me wipe this down? Come over there and help you? I just opened a beer. What's that? That's your last beer? You're doing a fine job. You're not getting any more after that? Is that what you said? I'm rooting for you, buddy. I don't think I can, but we'll look. so here's the problem. This thing is not more than 6 feet in any direction. So I'm basically, we're basically federally mandated to stay more than 6 feet apart. So I can't touch it at the same time you're touching it. So looks like all I can do is go drink beer.